Hi, I'm Chris Long from Long-Built Homes. I would like to take this opportunity to speak with you today about a new program we're offering here. It's called the Build on Your Lot program. More simply stated, you bring us your lot and we help you to build your beautiful new home. Sounds great, right? Well, it is. Let's talk about the Build on Your Lot process. So first we begin by meeting you at your lot, and we can evaluate your site to determine the best location for your new home. In addition, we will also offer suggestions about which one of our time-tested home designs would look best on your property. Step 2, we take the price of your land plus the price of your home plus the cost of all your site work and permits, and that will equal your budget. Step 3 is the fun part. This is where you come into our showroom and you can make all of your selections for your new home. We offer a wide variety of flooring options, cabinets, countertops, backsplashes, faucets, and sinks. This is a chance for you to add your personality into your new home. Step 4, you sign your construction contract. This contract will spell everything out between you and us. No surprises. Step 5, secure financing. We will recommend certain lenders for you to use. Many of these lenders we've worked with for over decades. They have earned not only our trust, but the trust of our many home buyers. Step 6, your pre-construction orientation. At this meeting, you will meet with your construction superintendent, and you will discuss your construction schedule, your site plan, your options, and you can address any questions that you may have. Step 7, the PreDrywall Orientation. This meeting is scheduled after your home is framed, weather tight, and all your mechanicals are in. At this meeting, you will meet with your construction superintendent and your sales professional. They will be happy to answer any questions that you may have about your new home. In addition, we will be able to confirm the options that you have chosen and ensure proper location for installation. Step 8, the customer orientation is conducted to ensure the completeness of your new home, that all the quality standards of Long-Built Homes have been met, and that all the components in your home are operational and fully functional. In addition, a member from our warranty team will demonstrate the quality features and mechanical aspects of your home, review service procedures, provide maintenance and care tips, and explain our warranty process. Step 9, Homeowner Acceptance. Finally, the day has come for you to visit your newly built home. On this day, you will have the opportunity to review your new home and make sure that everything is just the way you like it. Step 10, the closing. So after homeowner acceptance, you will proceed to your closing, sign your final paperwork, and receive your keys to your beautiful new home. Time for celebrating. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to have Long-Built Homes build your beautiful new home, please call our office at 508-995-8240, extension 101 for our sales team. We are all looking so forward to working with you. Thank you.